I'm going to be teaching you how to shuffle a deck of cards. So a shuffle looks like this. You separate the cards, you mix the cards, and the shuffle ends with a cascade or bridge. The first step is to put down the cards in front of you with the short edges in front and away from you, and the long edges to the side. Now you're going to square the deck by dragging your fingers across the edges like this. This is so the edges of the deck aren't rough like that. So we square the deck by just dragging our fingers just right across the edge like that. This is very important. Now your right hand, you're going to put it out in front and curl your index finger. You're going to hover the nail of your index finger over the circle in the middle of a card. Once you're in this position, you're just going to drop your finger onto that circle, put your thumb on this edge down here, and the three fingers are going to curl on that edge up there. This is the grip in which you hold a deck of cards. Now that we're in this position, you're going to learn how to riffle. That's what a riffle looks like. Now I'm going to explain how to do it. You're going to have to bend the cards a lot. This is going to take thumb strength and index finger strength to get that bend. Now that you're bending the cards, don't just drag your thumb across the edge of the cards. It'll be very difficult to do this very quickly. What you're doing is just pivoting your thumb from pointing to the left to pointing straight up. If you apply this pressure with your index finger and your thumb, and then just pivot it up, the cards will riffle one by one. After you've learned how to riffle, you're going to hold your left hand out so that your tips of your fingers are extended toward the deck and curl your index finger. Now riffle about half of the deck onto these three fingers and extend your index finger. Now in this position, you're going to take your right hand, these three fingers are going to push up and watch the index finger. The index finger curls up naturally, and you just grab the packet with your thumb on the top. And what's happened is your hand has naturally been put into the mirror image of your right hand. So now both hands are holding it in this grip. In this grip here, you're now going to riffle very quickly in both hands. You hold the cards close together and very quickly just riffle, and the cards will go together. If you try and alternate the cards like this, then the cards are going to go in big chunks, and it's not going to work as well. If you find that this is happening and the cards are not going together, try holding the cards closer together, or try not twisting the cards. So instead of holding it like this, hold it more straight like this. Now I'm going to explain how to perform the bridge. What you're going to do is once you're in this position, take your thumbs and put them down on this edge right here. Your index finger, which was curled on the deck, is going to join these fingers here. So you're in this position. The thumbs are very important. If your thumbs are over here, when you try to bridge, the cards are going to separate from the top. You keep the thumbs there. These fingers are going to grab here. You're going to bend the cards until your knuckles meet. Just right there, like that. Now extend your fingers, still holding the bend, and very slowly bring your fingers apart. And if you do so correctly, the cards will bridge naturally. So to go through everything again, you square the cards, you separate the cards, you shuffle the cards, and you bridge the cards.